Hey, Yo here for Yo TV. Today we're going to be unboxing this bad boy, the Audio-Technica AT2020 USB Plus. And here it is, the Audio-Technica AT2020 USB Plus. When you open the box, you're greeted directly with some paperwork. The warranty card, and of course, the user manual. We have a black pouch that contains the accessories for the microphone. We have the 3.1 meter USB cable. We have the tripod desk stand. We have the holder or connector for the microphone to the stand. And of course, the microphone itself. At first glance, the microphone itself looks premium. Premium to the touch, premium to the eyes. It's absolutely Audio-Technica technology. The microphone has adjusters for the monitor, adjuster for the headset volume, the USB connection, and of course we have where you can plug in your headset, and you can see a label that says back. So on the other side, it's the front side. It's where you talk into the microphone. The AT2020 USB Plus is designed for digitally capturing music or any acoustic audio source using your favorite recording software. It's perfect for singers, songwriters, podcasters, voiceover artists, field recorders, and home studio recorders. Audio-Technica's state-of-the-art design and manufacturing techniques ensure that the microphone complies with the company's renowned consistency and reliability standards. The AT2020 USB Plus is the perfect mic for creators. With its critically acclaimed sound and state-of-the-art design, it's built to provide the consistent, reliable performance you expect from Audio-Technica. So there you have it, the Audio-Technica AT2020 USB Plus. Thumbs up if you liked it, subs if you loved it. See you in the next video. Peace.